vlog. So today I was thinking to make Ube cheesecake because last time when we have party right here, my friend Lynn made Ube cheesecake and it's really yummy. And then I have Ube halaya in the fridge. So I'm gonna mix that on my cheesecake. So we'll see. I'm going to try because I have the cheesecake recipe and I just need to add the Ube flavoring. So that will be exciting. And then tomorrow, and also I'm gonna make Ube halaya today because I have orders Ube pandesal tomorrow for 4 dozen, and maybe somebody want to buy it more. So we'll see. And but before that, we're going to church because it's almost a 7:45. So the church will start at 8:30. So I'm drinking my coffee now, but I'm already ready, so it's ready to go. And yeah, exciting. I'm going to try the Ube cheesecake today. Tomorrow maybe I'm gonna clean the house. Tuesday maybe I won't do anything. I'm gonna edit my video because I have like almost 100 gig videos that I need to be edited. So yeah, that's my plan for this week. And I've been planning to do the bathroom, to make over our bathroom, but oh my gosh, it's so busy. Like, but I'm happy to have like the side hustle. I'm not saying, I'm not complaining, but yeah, I still don't have time. I still need to start my seedlings, like put seeds on my seedling tray, so there's time to grow. And then yeah. Hi everyone, it's time to make Ube cheesecake. So I have recipe the original cheesecake, so I just gonna add Ube flavoring, and yeah, we're going to make our Ube cheesecake because I told you that my friend bought Ube cheesecake, so she made Ube cheesecake 2 weeks ago. So she made Ube cheesecake and it's so yummy. And here I have cheesecake recipe and I just need to add Ube flavoring. So let's do that. First, I'm going to do graham crackers, and so the graham I forget it's Americanized graham cracker. So first, I'm going to make my graham crust. So I'm gonna grab graham crackers, sugar, and butter, and then we'll make our cheesecake filling. So let's get started.
Yeah, $1 and some change.
Oops, that's
So
more cheaper than
the milk was actually like pretty cheap. It was, the whole milk was only $2.76.
Yeah, I don't know
This
why.
stuff is freaking expensive.
How much that?
$8.43.
Yeah, that's expensive.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm selling the pandesal for 12. Well, it takes a long time to finish though.
Yeah.
When I'm making the pandesal.
Damn. Maybe because it's so shelf stable or something. These are
So okay, I'm gonna put the cream cheese right here, and then I need 32 ounces of cream cheese. But so my sister-in-law ran into Albertson to get more cream cheese. So I'm gonna put this two here while waiting. So this is our graham crust. Here you go. did wipe the door because this afternoon was very windy. We had sandstorm and this is full of dust, so I'm going to at least mop for a little bit to remove the dust. If you can see, oh my gosh, look at that. So I'm gonna clean it.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brinca. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Ahí baila. Brinca. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Brinca. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brinca. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Ahí baila. Brinca. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Brinca. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
It's almost 9:30 p.m. So I wake up like 7 and we went to the church and go to some stuff, come home, do the stuff. And I realized that I haven't sit down since then. What the heck? The whole day. I wonder my hips is hurting.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brinca. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Ahí baila.
So I'm done cleaning. Look at that. So I did clean it here. Oh my god, that one is really terrible. And guys, so I already cleaned the kitchen, everything, dishes, it's all gone. No more. Put away all the dishes. So it's clean. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, or when my husband go to work, I'll make the pandesal right away. I have 5 dozen orders tomorrow, so I'm gonna be busy. And yeah, I'm done cleaning, so I'm gonna hang up and see you next time. Bye.
Magpipiesta na dito, kaya
Look.
hindi ang mari nyo.
Our kids is here. Waiting. Waiting. Okay, wait lang. Here. Go. Ayan. The kids are waiting. So, damage from yesterday. Look, our pathway lights is fly off from the thing. Ayan. Holy cow. Ayan. And then here, the branches of our tree is cracked because of the strong wind. And our roof panel, there's more roof panel. Here you go. And this, and panel here, there's more, and here, and there's another one here. And I'm gonna show you guys the, I don't know. So, and there's another one here. I'm gonna show you guys the roof. If you can see, where is that? It's in there, right there. Let's zoom in. And I don't know if it's clear, but see that one damaged right there. Okay, there you go. As you can see, roof damage from yesterday. Time to call insurance. We need to call the insurance to fix this thing. It damaged our fence. And damage our fence, people. Damage our fence. And there as well.